Let's jump in. We're going to be on the passenger side of the car and I'll walk you through the whole process. Okay, so we're looking into the passenger side footwell, and I think probably some of the greater challenges of this is going to be showing you the good angles to find how to do this work more than anything else. Now, quick side note, if you found this video looking for an FSU replacement, I actually have a video up for an E46 as well, which is substantially harder than an E53. So make sure to check that out. Okay, so finding camera angles is really kind of going to be the challenge for a lot of this. So what we're going to need to do is we need to pull this kick plate above the footwell first. First of all, there are these little twist knobs. I've pulled one out on that side right over there. There's another one right here that and all you're just going to do is just twist them, then pull them out. Okay, and then there's one screw right there, which you should be able to see. Let me look at it. You can see the silver right there of that one screw. And then this kick plate will come down. It has a light in it, as you can see. So get this out, and then I'll show you how to take the side panel piece out, because the FSU is essentially right back here. And it's not all that hard to get to, but you just have to pull a few pieces to get there. Okay, so the next step is this carpet piece itself, which is tucked in at this end. I ran the seat back just a little bit, but it's also held in by those plastic rivets like you see in the door card. So what you want to do is kind of reach up and get your fingers over the top and pull. Now, I had the middle one already let go and I just touched this a second ago, but as you can see, it's that simple and it's out. And now you can see the plastic rivets that help hold this in place. Now, if you have that socket like I do, go ahead and unplug the socket, but as you can see, we can start to see back in there now, and I'll show you the next steps and rearrange my light a little bit so you can see what we're looking for. Okay, so finding the right angle for this is going to be a little difficult. It's really actually easier with your head underneath the glove box than it is to actually show it, ironically enough. But let's start with the new one and I'll show you what we're looking at. So it should be in this orientation like this, right back up in here, and I'll show you in just a second. You very likely have a screw here and here holding it in place. Now, the one I have in very conveniently has a big yellow sticker on it right here, so it's going to be even easier to see. So you're going to look for the cable and the big yellow sticker as I look here underneath. So what you're going to do is if you have both of those screws pulled there, and then the whole unit will pull straight out. Now, okay, so here's the new one, as you can see, as I showed just a second ago. And here is the old one. Now, could be that it's replaced before. I bought this E53 used, but it was really well maintained and really was kind of considered factory when I got it. So with the marks on this may be the original FSU. It's certainly possible.